This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a network server. Start by selecting an OS and installing Nginx or Apache, then assign a static IP. Configure your firewall to allow ports 80 and 443 and set up SSH keys. Create user accounts with least privilege and disable password login. Test the server from another device and monitor logs to catch errors and performance issues early. Design your network architecture before deployment so you avoid costly rework. Choose single server or distributed services depending on expected load and redundancy needs. Segment traffic with VLAN and subnets to isolate management and client zones. Define DNS and reverse DNS records and map host names to static IPs. Consider where backups and monitoring agents will run and ensure network paths. Permit necessary ports between components for smooth operation. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long server builds and fits cup holders for convenience. It seals well so you avoid keyboard spills. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Harden your server from day one to reduce breach risk and downtime. Use SSH keys and disable password authentication, then restrict admin access by IP when feasible. Keep the OS and server software patched and automate updates for critical packages. Schedule regular backups of configs and data and test restores on separate hardware. Implement logging and monitoring alerts so you detect anomalies quickly and can respond before they impact users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.